In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start and end videos at specific times in Google Slides. This is a handy feature for those looking to create more polished and engaging presentations, whether for a school project, business meeting, or any other public speaking event where you'd like to incorporate video without playing it from start to finish. First, to get started, you'll want to open Google Slides on your computer and either create a new presentation or open an existing one where you intend to insert a video. Once you've settled on the slide where you'd like your video to appear, navigate to the menu bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll select the Insert option. From the drop-down menu, choose Video. A new window will pop up, giving you several options to find your video. If your video is on YouTube, you can simply search for it directly from this window. If it's saved in your Google Drive, switch the tab to My Drive to browse and select your video file. After selecting your desired video, click Select, and it will be inserted into your slide. You'll notice a blue outline around the video once it's placed, indicating that it can be adjusted. You can drag the video to the desired position on your slide, adjusting its size as necessary. This flexibility helps maximize visibility and ensures it doesn't interfere with other content on your slide. Now that your video is right where you want it, it's time to customize when it starts and stops. With the video still selected, look over to the toolbar at the top and click on Format Options. This menu will slide in from the right-hand side with various options for you to tweak your video settings. Expand the video playback section by clicking the small arrow next to it. Here you'll find input boxes labeled Start At and End At. These allow you to specify the start and end times of your video. Simply enter the times in minutes and seconds. For instance, if you want your video to start at 1 minute and 30 seconds, type 1:30 in the start box. After setting the desired times, be sure to click outside the box to save your adjustments. It's worth noting that if you often use the same settings, you might consider these your go-to default adjustments for future presentations. Additionally, take the time to preview your slide by going into present mode to ensure everything operates smoothly and according to your preference. This step is crucial for ensuring a flaw-free presentation. And there you have it. That's how you can precisely control the start and end times of videos in Google Slides. This not only saves you time during presentations, but also keeps your audience focused on the most relevant content. Thank you for watching, and feel free to comment with any questions or further requests for other Google Slides tutorials.